Today we're going to compare the SL-41 against some other microphones in the industry. For example, the Ranger SRA-198 noise canceling microphone, the Astatic 636L, and the Turner RK56. I'm currently speaking on the stock microphone of the Cobra 29 LTD Classic. It's absolutely stock. See, this is the microphone I'm using. If you could still hear me. We're also receiving on an ICOM R75 receiver, and the recording's audio is coming directly out of the back of the receiver, so it's a direct connection. We also have the AM set for the widest band. That'll give us the best quality audio, give a fair comparison to the microphones that we're presenting today. We've got the AGC set to normal. The RF gain is set to minimum, and attenuator is set on as well to give the receiver the widest dynamic range and when we have the transmitter so close by. So currently we're hitting about an S9 and peaking a little over, but roughly the normal good signal quality condition. So I'm going to swap out microphones now, and again, this is the Cobra 29 LTD Classic, absolutely stock, and the stock microphone. This is the Astatic 636L. The mic gain again has not been changed. Pardon me. The mic gain is now at maximum. The mic gain is at maximum, and that was at, we started off at 12 o'clock. That's about 12 o'clock right there. Hello, you can see that the audio's dropped down in the scope. And that, by the way, that audio that you're seeing with the oscilloscope is the audio that is being recorded out of the ICOM. So we are now listening with the Dynamic all the way up, the Astatic 636L in play, and now we're going to swap to another microphone. Now we are on the Ranger SRA-198 noise canceling microphone. My lip is on the bumper there that is on the front grill. Talking in the same voice level I was on the other microphones. Dynamic's all the way up. I'm going to run it back to 12 o'clock, and that's 12 o'clock right there. You can see the audio's dropped down significantly, so very low modulation at 12 o'clock. I have to run the mic gain all the way up, and as you can see, it's not real strong on this particular stock radio, but it is adequate as far as microphone gain. And so again, this is the Ranger SRA-198 noise canceling microphone, switching to another. This is about a 30-year-old Turner RK56 microphone. Microphone gain is at maximum. It is absolutely maximum. My lip is touching the rubber guard. And now we'll run it back down to 12 o'clock there. There's 12 o'clock on the RK56. And I'm going to run it back up. And you can see that the audio did drop. Now we're back up. And just about hitting the maximum the radio has. It doesn't have quite the same punch on average, but it does get the maximum output of the radio nonetheless. So we're going to swap to another microphone here. This is the Palomar SL-41. Again, my lip is touching the rubber guard on the front, and I'm talking directly into it. And the mic gain's all the way up. And as you can see, on average, the audio gain is pretty good at maximum. I'm going to run it back to 12 o'clock just to give you a taste of what that's like. And even then, at 12 o'clock, we still have more than enough gain, probably where you want to run it if you want maximum noise canceling, and still have good output. You always want to run the mic gain back and just use just enough audio gain if you want maximum noise canceling effect. So that's at 12 o'clock, and now we're back up at maximum. So this concludes our microphone test. Again, we're using the ICOM R75 receiver, excellent receiver, set for everything for maximum dynamic range. The audio output, recording output of that is what we're feeding this video with. And it seems to be working pretty good here. So testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the end of our test. Thank you.